Hi, and welcome to the FitBit Inspire tutorial for the Englewood Healthy Lifestyles program. My name is Katie. I'm an exercise physiologist here at the Craft Center at Englewood Health, and I'm going to show you how you can use your FitBit to track everyday aspects of your life so you can see how small steps can impact big change. So congratulations on taking your first step toward integrative wellness. Your FitBit will come pre-charged, but eventually you will need to recharge it. A fully charged Fitbit lasts up to 5 days. Plug the charging cable into a USB port. Hold the other end of the cable onto the back of the Fitbit, matching the pins on the cable to the port on the Fitbit until it connects magnetically. A full charge will take about 1 to 2 hours, but you can press the left side button if you want to track the charging progress. After it's charged, your Fitbit will automatically be on, but if the screen turns dark, simply hit the button on the side. Next, we need to connect your Fitbit to your Apple or Android device. Now keep in mind, this may appear differently depending on the device that you'll be using. I'm going to be using an Apple iPhone 8. Head to the App Store on your phone. Click Search and type in Fitbit. Scroll down to this icon and hit Get. If you're prompted to enter your Apple ID, enter it in and hit Sign In. Once this is complete, your app will begin downloading. You can exit this screen and wait for it to complete your download, which will appear usually at the end of your home screen. Once your download is complete, search for the Fitbit icon on your screen and open the app. Next, click Join Fitbit. Here you will enter your first name, last name, email, and create a password. Once you've completed that, check off the Terms of Service box and uncheck off the Keep Me Posted box. After that, you'll just simply hit Next. Scroll down through the privacy information, and once you feel comfortable, hit I agree. Then hit Let's Go. You're going to go and enter your date of birth. Then hit Next. Next, you're going to type in your height. Again, hit Next, and then your sex. Then Next. You're also going to put in your weight. And once you're done, just simply hit Create Account. After following all the prompts, your home screen should look similar to this. You can click your profile icon and scroll down to set up a new device if you click here. You'll choose the Inspire, not the Inspire HR. You can see that the screen shows how many steps you took, floors you've climbed, miles you've moved, calories you've burned, and active minutes you've participated in for the day. For sleep, if you scroll down, you will see where it says Wear your Fitbit to bed. You can track your sleep cycle here. Click the plus button. If you are ready for sleep, you can click the Begin Sleep Now prompt. Your app will automatically track your progress until you wake up and click I'm awake, which I'm going to do. This error message will appear if you don't sleep for at least a few minutes. So I'm going to just click OK. You can also manually add a sleep log. Let's hit that plus button again. Just enter the time that you fell asleep and the time you woke up and on which date. Then you'll just click Save. I'm going to cancel to go back out. If you scroll down further, you will see Track Your Exercise. Simply hit the plus button. Click Log and enter whatever exercise that you're preparing for. I'm going to enter walk. Select walk, and you can enter the start time, the duration, and all these other features. Once you're done, simply hit Add. Scrolling down, you will also see your heart rate, but you do not need to enter it in. This is used for different fitness devices. Below this, you will see a time to get moving section, which can help prompt you to get up by tracking how many hours you took at least 250 steps. There is also an area to track your menstrual cycle and to track your weight. Below that, you can log your water and your food. To log your water, simply click the plus button next to the icon. You can simply hit the glass icon, which will give you 8 ounces of water, or you can manually change that to whatever size you'd like. Once you're done, hit save. You can also log your food, but this one's even more customizable. Hit the plus button. If you have the food product nearby, you can hit the UPC code. You can hit allow for the camera. We're going to just hit don't allow for now, and you can scan your item in. You can also click where it says search and enter manually the food item. I'm going to enter apple. And as you can see, there are a variety of different apples to choose from. I'm just going to hit applesauce and hit log. You can customize what shows up on your home screen by simply scrolling up and hitting edit. For example, I like to get rid of where it shows heart rate since I will never be using that. So I'm going to just hit remove. And once I'm done, save. Now you can see there's no more heart rate section. Also, this mailbox icon will show you if you have any new messages in your phone. You may want to customize how you receive information from your Fitbit. You can set that all up through the Fitbit app. From the top of your home screen, click your profile. From here, you'll simply click the Fitbit that you have, which is your Inspire. I'm going to hit cancel, but you can pair your Bluetooth. You can change the clock faces. You can also go through your user manual here. If you go down to wrist, simply select non-dominant if you're going to be wearing your Fitbit on your non-dominant hand, or dominant if you're going to be wearing it on your dominant hand, and go back. You can add silent alarms to help you through your wake cycle, notifications, reminders to move, a main goal, and you can sync your Fitbit to your app now. When you're wearing your Fitbit, make sure the side button is facing you. Press and hold the side button for 2 seconds and the first icon you will see is battery level. Scrolling down, you will see the screen wake button. To conserve battery, your Fitbit screen stays black unless you wake it, like it did just now. When the screen wake is on, and it's lit up like this, you will be able to see your screen simply by turning your wrist toward you. I highly recommend turning this feature on, or otherwise you have to hit the side button every time you want to see your screen, like that. Scrolling down, you will see the notifications. Click on it. If it's black like that, your notifications are off. Click it again, and it'll light up and your notifications will be on. Lastly, scrolling down, you will see where it says on wrist. If you click it, it might turn to on clip. If you're going to choose to wear your Fitbit on a clip, select that icon. For me, I'm going to keep it on my wrist. The screen is a touch screen, so you can start by tapping the screen. The first icon that appears below your home screen are your steps. It's a good idea to slowly work your way up to 10,000 steps a day. From here, swipe down. The next icon shows the calories you've burned today. The next one shows active minutes. These are periods of activity done for 10 minutes or more, including brisk walks, running, or cardio. Keep scrolling down and you will see distance moved per day in miles. Slowly work your way up to 5 miles per day. The next icon displays hourly steps. Remember, you don't want to be sitting for hours on end. We're now going to swipe up back to your main screen. If we swipe up from your main screen, the first icon you see is timers. Click on it. This shows you the stopwatch, or if you swipe up, you can use a countdown. The stopwatch is great to see how many minutes you've exercised. Aim for 150 minutes of moderate or 75 minutes of vigorous activity per week. Swipe up one more time to go to settings. The first option is clear user info, which you will not need to do. But if you scroll down, you can see where there's device info. If you click on this, it will give you your device model number should you ever need that. Well, that's it for your Fitbit tutorial. If you have any questions, simply just go online to your preferred search engine, type in Fitbit Inspire User Manual, and the first thing that should pop up is a PDF manual for you to browse through. Again, congratulations on taking your first step towards integrative wellness.